how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Let's get right into the video. Open your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Head over to Privacy Shortcuts. Once again, scroll down from here and inside your Facebook information, the option of delete your account will be visible to you. Head over to it. It will land you on this interface. As we're looking forward to delete our Facebook account, select Delete Account and then click on Continue to Account Deletion. You need to state the reason why you want to delete your account. You can select any of the reasons from here and then tap on Continue to Account Deletion. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on Delete Account. You need to enter the password of your Facebook account. And once you are ready to delete your Facebook account, tap on Continue and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So that's it, and this is the way on how to delete your Facebook account permanently. I hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.